10 unknown facts about Tarun Khanna. First, Tarun Khanna is a television and film actor from India. Second, he was born on 23rd February 1972 in Delhi, India. Third, Tarun Khanna's education is a graduation degree from Khalsa College, Delhi University. Tarun Khanna did his schooling at Rukmini Devi Public School, Delhi. Fourth, Tarun Khanna is married to television actress Smriti Khanna. Tarun Khanna also has a son who was born in 2014. Tarun Khanna's son's name is Adamya Khanna. Fifth, from 2001 to 2003, Tarun Khanna starred as Sameer in the television family show Kabhi Aaye Na Judai. Sixth, Tarun Khanna starred alongside Sai Devdar, Shakti Anand, Sonal Sehgal, Kiran Kumar and Parmeet Sethi in the television serial Sara Akash as an ISI agent named Sikandar. Seventh, Tarun played Praveen Sengupta in the Star Plus long-running serial Kasoti Zindagi Ke from 2003 to 2004. Eighth, from 2006 to 2007, Tarun Khanna played Aditya Rai Chand in the Sahara One television serial Kuch Apne Kuch Paraye. Ninth, from 2018 to 2019, Tarun Khanna starred as a Chanakya in the Sony TV historical series Chandragupta Maurya, a Brahman scholar from Takshashila, Chandragupta Maurya's advisor. 10th, Tarun Khanna played Hanuman in the mythological performance Jai Shri Krishna in 2008. From 2015 to 2017, he was cast in the mythological series Santoshi Ma as a Lord Shiva, which aired on NTV. Subscribe the channel.